Today I've got a Walmart grocery haul to share with you guys, and I got some produce from Misfits Market, so let's get into it. I am also excited to announce that today's video is in collaboration with Tiffany over at the YouTube channel Small Town 6. I have collaborated with her before and I love her channel, and I know that if you guys love my channel, you will love hers too. She does a lot of cooking and homemaker motivation and grocery hauls, and she's just all around a really sweet person. So definitely go over to her channel and watch her video today. I'll link it down below, and make sure to tell her that I sent you. And if you are coming over from Tiffany's channel, welcome. My name is Jen. I hope you subscribe and stick around. I believe we were actually supposed to do a What's for Dinner collaboration, so I do apologize for that, but this week has been crazy, and so I decided to go ahead and share a grocery haul in lieu of a What's for Dinner, but hopefully you guys still enjoy it. I'll also leave her video from today linked at the end of this video, so you can hop right over there. Okay, so here's everything that I got this week for groceries. There are, I guess, some items in here for Easter as well. And then I'll kind of tell you the stuff that's from Misfits Market. All I got from them was produce, so I thought I would throw it in here with the Walmart stuff. So I did get some fresh spinach. Part of this is going to be for a soup recipe, and then I also will be putting these in wraps for Kira's lunches and then for salad if we need it. I got 2 containers of sliced mushrooms. These are for some recipes that I'm going to make here in the next week or so. I got some apples. These were from Misfits Market. And then they also sent me some purple sweet potatoes, so those will be neat to try. They also sent some cauliflower, so I'll probably do my cheesy cauliflower bake with that. Got a couple of grapefruits. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I might actually juice them and make grapefruit juice. We'll see. I got a cucumber from Misfits Market, also a red onion for a taco recipe that I'm going to make, some garlic. I got these from Misfits as well. These are just yellow potatoes. And then I did get a 5-pound bag of regular potatoes from Walmart because I'm probably going to make mashed potatoes for Easter. We're having Easter at my house, so those will be for that. I got some blueberries and some strawberries to wash up for fruit this week. I was all out of cilantro, and I made ramen the other day, and I didn't have any cilantro to put in, and I was like, oh, because I was like to put cilantro on the top of it, so I got some more of that. I got some celery, 1 for a recipe that I'm going to make, and then 2, I'm actually going to cut some of that up and put it with this pub cheese. I thought that would be a good snack for this week. I got some lettuce for tacos one night, some green grapes. The kids have been going through those super fast. Some bananas because we were all out. And then I also got some 2% milk for cereal, recipes, coffee, whatever. Some half and half for coffee. I got a couple of the Dannon Light and Fit cookies and cream crunch. Those will be for the kids' lunches. I got some pepperoni panino. Kira really likes those. I did Walmart grocery pickup, and unfortunately, I don't think I put this one in right. I asked for 3/4 of a pound, and instead they gave me 1/4 of a pound of turkey, so that won't last long, but I can go back to the store and get some more. I got some provolone. I'm going to be making some like Italian beef sandwiches, so I needed that for that recipe. I got this thin Colby Jack for some wraps I want to try. There was a recipe on, I think I saw it on TikTok or Instagram, I can't remember, where you take like wraps, like whole wheat wraps, and you put honey mustard in them, Colby Jack cheese, blackened chicken strips, and lettuce. And it's supposed to taste like this. I guess Wendy's at one time had a snack wrap. I can't remember exactly what was in it, but we're going to try that this week for lunch sometime. And then I got some sharp cheddar cheese. This is the kind Kira really likes for her sandwiches. I got some turkey pepperoni, some of these pepperoni pizza wraps. These are the Hormel kind. Kids really like those. I've not gotten a Laughing Cow cheese in a long time, so I decided to get some of this. I got 1 of the garlic and herb and 1 of the original. This is good with celery also, or I did also get some pretzels to have that with as well. I got some Cracker Barrel extra sharp cheddar cheese. That's for Kira. some sour cream just to make sure that we had some to have on hand for recipes and tacos. I got some more eggs. This is the sugar-free or no sugar added honey mustard dipping sauce that I'm going to try for those wraps. So let me know if you guys have tried this before. I don't think I have. But yeah, we'll see if that's good or not. I saw this on the app when I was ordering my groceries and decided to try it. It's the Urban Accents balsamic and roasted onion veggie roaster seasoning blend. So you just toss it like with oil or melted butter and veggies and roast it in the oven. I thought that would be good to try. I was all out of dried basil, so I got some more of that. I need that for a couple recipes I make commonly. And then I also got some evaporated milk. This is for a crock pot soup recipe that I'm going to be making 2 cans of that. I also got some crushed fire roasted tomatoes for a crock pot recipe, and then some pineapple tidbits for a recipe as well. I got some plain flour tortillas for tacos, some spinach wraps. These are the ones that Kira really likes. A pork gravy packet. This is for a crock pot recipe I'm making. And then these are the wraps I thought I would try for those like blackened chicken honey mustard wraps. I've never tried these before. The brand is Fiesta Fit. They're whole wheat wraps. They just happen to be low carb. They're only 80 calories per wrap. So I don't know. I'm probably going to start tracking my calories again in MyFitnessPal, just because the last several months I've been eating too much crap and I need to get a hold on that. So I'll probably start doing that this week. I got some of this brownberry thin sliced whole wheat bread. I really like to have peanut butter toast, and I thought that this would be good to try for that. I got some of these soft white hoagie rolls. These will be for the Italian beef sandwiches. I decided to try, I think I've had these before, I can't remember. These are the Fiber One, like small little coffee cake bars. They're only 70 calories each, so I thought I would try those just if I want something sweet. They're not very many calories. And then I also got some of the Fiber One cookies. I've purchased these before, but it's been a long time, and they're actually really good. Okay, so I think I'm going to make chocolate mint brownies for Easter, and for that I need 16 ounces of chocolate syrup. They did not have a Hershey syrup that was that small, so I went ahead and got this Ghirardelli one. I've never used that kind for those brownies, but I'm sure it'll work just fine. So I decided to get some of these Atkins bars. So these are actually pretty good. I'm not planning on doing low carb or anything like that, but I've been also, like, some of you have asked me about Built bars, and I haven't done a video with them since last year, but I still do have some of their bars on hand. The only thing right now is that I have braces, and so I can eat the Built bars with braces. It's just like, I prefer not to, just because I hate picking it out of my teeth. It's kind of a pain. So I thought I would get some of these. I've actually had these before a long time ago, and they're very good. They're like the protein meal bars. So I got one chocolate peanut butter and one vanilla caramel pretzel bar. I thought those sounded good. They also had like a strawberry shortcake one that I tried to get, but they were not in stock, and so they could not substitute that. I got some of these Dave's Killer Bread English muffins. I'll probably make sandwiches with these breakfast sandwiches for Adam's breakfast this week. And then I also got some of this garlic naan bread. I have like a few different sauces and curries and different things like that I want to use up in the pantry, so I'll probably make that with that meal. I got some blanched almonds. These are going to be for an almond chicken recipe that I'm going to be trying. And then I got a couple different things for Easter cookies slash desserts. They had these Hershey's little egg shaped chips. And then I thought these looked fun for cookies. They're the confetti cake stars. So they're basically like chocolate stars, except they're supposed to taste like birthday cake. And then it shows how you can make them with a sugar cookie. So I thought those would be fun to try. So I got those too. I'm going to be making a pork tenderloin in the Instant Pot. So I got one of these Smithfield, this is a 2.5 pound pork tenderloin. And then there's a crock pot recipe that I'm going to be making with bone-in pork chops. So the only thing that I don't necessarily care for about Walmart grocery pickup is like the recipe that I'm gonna make. I needed 6 bone-in pork chops. Well, of course you can't specify that. So I ended up just saying I wanted 2 packages, and I think I got 8 total, but that's fine. We'll have leftovers, or I'll freeze some of them. I got some LaCroix. This is the cherry lime sparkling water. I was all out of that. I got a ham for Easter. This is the Sam's Choice honey cured double glazed ham. So we'll have that for Easter. And then I got some Cool Whip. I just thought that maybe we could use some of this with the berries that I got. And then I also got some mini pretzels. We're out of those. Oh, and then I forgot. I put them in the fridge or in the freezer so that they wouldn't get soft. But these are the Reems Egg Noodles. I got 2 bags of these to make chicken and noodles for Easter. Sometimes I get questions on like how I make my chicken noodles or beef and noodles. I should probably do a dedicated video on it at some point, but essentially all I do is I take chicken broth or beef broth, I boil it, I cook the noodles, and then I just add either shredded cooked chicken or a shredded beef roast to it. And you can also thicken it up with a little bit of cornstarch. You can add salt, pepper, whatever seasonings you want. For the chicken ones, I normally just cook chicken breasts in the slow cooker. So the chicken's really tender, shred it up, cook the noodles, add it together. It is very, very simple and not very fancy at all, but it's one of Kira's favorite things to eat on the holidays. So, and everyone else likes it too. So that is everything that I got this week from Misfits Market and Walmart. Don't forget to go check out Tiffany's video at Small Town 6. I'll leave it linked on the screen right here so it's easy for you to click on. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a couple days with another video. Bye.